Hi everyone, this is Crypto Mercy. Today we're gonna talk about Bartholomew Bart G. Simpson. Something really bad happened to him, or no? I'm joking. But before we dive, let's watch a little piece of video.
I'd like to buy 500 shares of Animotion Incorporated.
Okay. Now, before I execute this order, are you sure you understand the risks of stock ownership?
Absolutely.
We're in the money. We're in the money.
All right, guys. How I can say that. I posted on TradingView two charts today, one of the Eagle for the Eagle and one for the Bitcoin, because I see on different chart this pattern that is the Wyckoff pattern, and when you see this, it's just because we are making higher lows, and this is the distribution phase of the Wyckoff, and it's what we I want to show you today, but first, the intro. All right, if you're trading, you need to take different known people. You need to learn about those people. And I used to, I dive on Elliott Waves and Wyckoff a little bit more on Elliott Waves. But as a trader, we need to consider those top 5 technical analysis along with Dow, Gann, Elliott, and Merrill. And today, I just want to show you a general overview of the similitude between BTC and Wyckoff, the Wyckoff method. And just gonna take this bar out. Okay, cool. You can see this pattern right here. I don't know. Gonna try to make a zoom for you. All right. This is the distribution Wyckoff event, and we can see right now that we're kind of making this pattern, and usually I don't like too much when it's I'm beginning to see this kind of pattern anyway. And if you look at the BTC, there's many lines, sorry guys, but it's the same here, and that this can be the uptrust after distribution that you will find here, right there. We call this the UTAD test, and I think it's important if you would like to know a little bit more about the Wyckoff method. It's pretty easy. You go on the school.chart.com, or you type Wyckoff, and this is the page that we're going to see. And I want to thank one of my members today who just bring back this, because it's so nice to see this again and find out. And you see it's pretty, this is the Wyckoff price cycle, and you have the oversold, the markup, the overbought territory. This distribution phase is in that phase, and you have the markdown, supply greater than demand, and we can see not that here, but this is the accumulation schematic Wyckoff event in phases, and this is the distribution schematic number 1 Wyckoff event in phases. And just check, this is like I'm calling this Bart Simpson pattern, but you can see the arrow of Bart Simpson right here. And I'm always playing with this. It's cool that people are starting to make some link with that. And if you take the chart of Bitcoin, it's in so many points similar to what we see. We have like those 3 tops here. Look at this, the BC, UTAD test, this W right there. Look at this W right here. Okay, are we here right now? And it's funny because this is possibly a bull flag that can bring us much higher. I don't know. Maybe we're going to make a fourth one. We're going to test another wave. But not sure. You know, it looks like a last point of supply to me. But anyway, I just wanted to share this with you. Really interesting to see, you know, this markup right here, markdown, Bart Simpson distribution phase, higher lows. And we have the same here. We had the sign of witness, the SW, the uptrust phase, distribution right here. This is the spring right there in red. The spring happened here, and this was the drop, the recent drop that we had. This was crazy hard. But it's, you know, pretty similar. Here you had this accumulation period right there. And we don't see it too much here. But anyway, you can see there's many chart that you can see, but the accumulation phase is important. And maybe we have it here. Accumulation schematic. See, this is the before the bull trend, the accumulation phase. And, you know, we have the spring that happened here. This is the markup. And this will be the markdown right here, right there. We have support line. We have the auto reaction after this buying climax phase around February 21. This was a huge flush down, sign of weakness here a lot, and anyway, we made this W, we confirmed the neckline. This was the secondary test. We broke, we confirmed UT uptrust. You know, everything is up there. I'm putting this right here, and I'm probably gonna make another episode about this. But those kind of sequence can bring alt season. Because after a huge retracement like this, this will be, and where it's bringing us to the last around 20K, which is the last bull market had in 2017. At that point, this is for sure support. We have the spring here after a bull flag right there. This is a huge spring right there too. Symmetrical triangle right here. And the explosion. Another little bull flag right here. Or symmetrical triangle. Symmetrical triangle are a continuation pattern. And usually, you know, it's how you create your flag. You put your flag here, and at the breakout, you bring it here or here. And this was a little Bart Simpson too, right there. We can see this. Anyway, just want to share and take some time with you. I'm trying to figure out with the eagle right now, but my chart is not over. I'm trying to figure out where we can go, and you know, it's interesting to see with the eagle. Is it like an accelerated Wyckoff method distribution in acceleration that we saw? We'll see. I want to deep dive a little bit more on this. We have those symmetrical triangle and the breakout right here too. Really interesting to watch all this. You can read about that. There is phase A, phase B, phase C, phase D, phase E. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I appreciate if you can just push the thumbs up, smash the like button. I hear that a lot. If you can smash the like, really cool. You need to. It's good to learn and read about this. We have you have the SOW, the LPSY, UTAD up trust after distribution right here. Everything is explained, and you can read everything about all the phases. Anyway, I wish you liked this. Leave me a comment on TradingView, or leave me a comment here. If you have any question, let me know. Right now, what's going on? Kind of making a spinning top or double top or an hanging man. We will see. It can turn out to be in 4 hours bearish or bullish. We will follow that closely. But anyway, it's very cool to see this and know why we call this the Bart Simpson pattern. But anyway, maybe you learned something today, maybe not. Let me know. Let me know if you are bullish on Bitcoin or bearish right now. I appreciate. Also, just want to show you on the weekly, the MACD. Okay, I'm going to take this out because I don't think you are seeing it right here. Let's bring this over. All right, the MACD. This is the MACD on the daily. Seems to go up a little bit. Is it going to cross? We'll see. But we have this bearish cross on the weekly for the Bitcoin. And usually when this thing happens, it can be dangerous, like we saw many times. Here was 10K, 14K, sorry, to 4K in last April when everything happened so quickly on the stock market. And also last bull market, we don't have it, but I'm sure there was a bearish cross right there somewhere for, you might gonna find this on Brave New Coin, BLX. And anyway, wish you the best of the best. Have a great night. And we'll talk tomorrow. I received a donation to make a review on Binance. I will do that tomorrow.